45 minutes later, guys, and it is ready. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well and happy weekend. If you are a new subscriber, good to have you. If you've not subscribed yet, do consider subscribing as you watch this video. It's just the red button and the bell notification. If you're an existing subscriber, thanks, welcome again, and I hope you enjoy this video. It's going to be quick, I promise. Okay, let's jump right into today's recipe. I am making moi moi. I am making moi moi. You can look up the definition. You can look up the origination on Google, but I'm just going to jump right in. Moi moi is bean cake made from brown beans or black-eyed peas. So here it is, washed and peeled. So I've taken off the husk. So that's the first ingredient, the main ingredient. So that's the beans, black-eyed peas, washed and husk removed. I have boiled egg for garnishing, and then I'm going to blend the beans with 1 bell pepper, onions. That's about roughly half a medium-sized onion. I have chili peppers. You can use any fresh pepper of your choice, depending on your preference and tolerance for heat from pepper. I have garlic. I have turmeric. That's optional. I just like turmeric in my moi moi. Garlic is also optional. And what else do we have here? I have bouillon cube or stock cube. I have cooking oil. I use canola oil. This is like half a cup or less. And I have salt. This is about half a teaspoon, I believe. Let me see. Yes, half a tablespoon of salt, and I have nutmeg as well. Nutmeg is optional, but it gives your moi moi that unique flavor. So I have a little bit, half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And then also to garnish the moi moi as it is cooking, I have Titus sardine fish. You can use tuna fish cooked and seasoned. Here, check out some of my old videos, you see that. But I have Titus sardine. There you go, sardine fish. Okay guys, and that's about it. So let's jump right in. I am going to start blending the beans and the peppers and onions. Okay guys, see you soon. Okay guys, it is all blended. I have the onions, peppers, beans, all the spices in the ingredient list. And then now I'm going to add the oil. And then we have the sardine fish, but the sardine fish has some oil, so we're going to add the oil from the sardine fish as well, because it has a lot of flavor, ton of flavor. Okay, so now we're just going to stir. And incorporate everything. So guys, we have our pan here. This is how I'm going to bake it actually. So I have small pans in there. I have my canola oil spray, just going to spray the pan. And we're good to go with that. Okay, so it is ready for the oven. What we're going to do is add some water to the side. The bottom of the pan. Add water. Okay, and we're going to put it in and cover with a foil. So we have it in the oven at 360 degrees. And that's it, and we're going to like cook 45 minutes later, guys, and it is ready. So about, I'll say 45 minutes to an hour, it is done. Take a look at that, guys. Let me see if I can, where is my mitt or take a look at that. Okay, 45 minutes later, it is ready. Look at that. Ooh, it's hot. I'm gonna go for that one. But look at it. Easy to pop out. That was why we sprayed the containers to begin with. So I'm going to go ahead and dish it out and serve. Okay. And here it is. Ooh, turn that baby over. There it is, guys. Perfect. Perfect. So I'm going to flip it over so the top shows up. But look at that, guys. It is perfect. Look at the perfect shape. Okay, guys. That's it. It is nice and soft. Oh wow, let's dig in. Tastes delicious, guys, delicious. Oh my goodness. Right away I can get the pepper, I can get a little bit of nutmeg. The nutmeg elevates the taste. Oh wow, guys. Look at that. It's nice and soft. Look at it, guys. Oh my goodness. I can taste the onions. Wow, it's so nice. And the turmeric, oh my god, takes it to a whole new level. This is delicious. So guys, I have to take my leave now. I'm gonna try the egg. Oh, guys, look at that. Oh, freshly laid egg. See how yellow the yolk is? Very rich. So guys, I'll take my leave now, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and let me know in the comment box below how you make your moi moi. Do you wrap it with leaf? Do you prefer to steam in plates, in Ziploc, in what have you, or bake it? Do you prefer to bake it this way? Let me know in the comment box below. I have to jump offline now and have this. I've been waiting for it. Okay guys, till my next video, have a good one. Bye.